Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. As a content creator, environment matters. It matters a lot. And so today I'm going to be talking about something a little bit different when it comes to environment. And what I'm going to be talking about here is the different types of environment and how they actually affect your ideas, how they actually inspire you. And so the first area of an environment that I want to show you is the city. And so this is where a lot of people are familiar with, especially if they live in a much bigger city. And so when I'm actually inside a city, because there's just so much stuff going on, and because it is here in a very urban environment, things just move a lot quicker. And so I feel like because of that, I had to come up with ideas a lot quicker. And so I would say in the city, I get my most spontaneous ideas where they really don't have a lot of structure. It's just whatever pops into my mind and whatever interesting things or people come about, especially if you live in a big city. So another type of environment is more business and more formal. And usually when I'm in these areas, I do more of my detailed planning where I have to really map things out. Now, even though this isn't quite as much fun as being in a city or being outdoors where my ideas are more freeform, it's still ideas nonetheless, and it also helps me to really think about what I'm planning to do. And so now I'm actually in my favorite type of environment, and that is obviously the outdoors. Now, so whenever I'm outdoors, and what I mean by that is being out near nature. Okay, if you've watched a lot of my videos, I love being outdoors where there's a lot of water, trees, anything that's closer to nature. This is where I get to spend a lot of time just thinking. Okay, for people who spend a lot of time outdoors, they primarily do it because they can think a lot better. There's a lot more calmer feeling. And so whenever I'm outside in these type of environments, I could actually take my time. You know, I could actually sit down and just come up with my most creative type of ideas and not have to worry too much about coming up with them. Okay, and so that is different from when I'm in the city. When things move fast here, things slow down. Okay, things are a lot calmer. And so these are my favorite types of environments to actually come up with ideas. So now let's talk about the most important environment of them all, one that is available to everyone and one that you could actually go to at any time. And that environment is your mind. As you become a content creator, you're going to cultivate a creative environment in your mind. And what that means is wherever you're at, if you have a great idea, you could actually just sit down, take time to think, and go to that environment and just actually explore it. And that is something that is extremely invaluable, not only as a content creator, but also any other areas of your life. And I really feel that if you do become a content creator, then you're probably going to spend a lot more time in this environment, more than most people will, because as a creative, you do have to spend more time thinking and coming up with ideas. And so that is my overall thoughts on how environment matters, and also how it inspires you depending on the various environments that you have. And so if you had any thoughts on any things that I talked about today, whether you are a content creator yourself or whether you're thinking about taking a more creative environment approach, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.